Does anyone want a cat who doesn't obey? Hello, Katie. We see you up there. Hello. I see you. She's afraid I'm going to spray her. And I might. I have all these boxes up on top of the cabinets here because if I didn't, she'd be up there. I'm not even sure exactly how she gets up here. She's very agile, I guess, and we have this big space here I have been using lately for recycling. Just got the one Mountain Dew can. Do the do! Hi, Katie. You gotta come down. Come on. Come down. Come on. Cooperate with me. You proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself? Huh? Okay. Oh, daddy and daughter. What? You don't look very happy. You don't look very happy. Oh, let's look at the birds outside. Any birds out? Oh, got this new bird feeder out here. No birds right now. What do you think, Katie? Is that good stuff? Huh? Is that good stuff? Any good stuff out there? There's some pretty good stuff out there, isn't there? I have no idea if I'm catching them or not. It looks about right, but I don't know. Oh, your tail's moving. Your tails are moving. Am I getting your tail? Ooh, Vandergraaf Generator is playing on Last FM. I love this song. This is from Trisector. Ooh, good stuff. Got a little pond out here. Oh, it's in pretty good shape. Alright, that's it for now.